Hey there, it's Lynn Thomas, and today I'm going to talk about Sprout Builder. And I'm a Sprout designer, and there are a lot of cool things about Sprout that people should know about. One of them is Gallery shows you the different Sprouts, the portable content created using Sprout Builder, uh, social engagement campaigns, and then Facebook fan pages. Mari Smith has a great video on why you should create a Facebook fan page. We're going to go to the Facebook fan pages on Sprout and take a look at the different landing pages. These are landing pages that are JPEG images. If you go to any one of these landing pages, you can see some great content. This one, created by Sprout. This is the Sprout landing page. It's a JPEG image that calls out for you to click on it, because once you've clicked on it, the Flash content engages. Like so. And here, they have different pages for Flash content. Another interesting thing that you can do with Sprout Builder is widgets. And they have a lot of really good tutorials. So this is the Sprout fan page with the interactive content that is brought to life when you clickety-click. And in their tutorial, they talk about Doggy Labs, and this is Doggy Labs landing page. It's a JPEG image calling for you to click on it, and when you do, up comes their, whatever you want to call it, feed for their blog, and then here are their tweets. And then here are our upcoming events. So you have something snazzy. You can either have Sprout design one for you, or somebody like me can do it. The thing that you need to do if you're going to do it yourself is get an account at Sprout and design yourself a page in Sprout Builder, and then use the Facebook markup language. This is a fan page that I created for Kender, my friend Kender, who is a jack of all trades. He's a thespian, he's a writer, he's a poet, he is so many things. So here I have his picture and a couple of videos. He's on Young Gun Conservative, so I have a feed to Young Gun Conservative, and his book, which is Shattered Ashen Heart. But you can't really see that because we need to look at it in another view. So let's take a look at the projects. Let's take a look at Kender's seed page. On the seed page, you can see why it's a seed, because here is all of the social networks that you can put the Sprout on, and here is the Sprout itself. So these are his goofy videos, his book, Young Gun Conservative, which he appears on with Nick, and it kind of talks about more of who he is. So this is a text document. Open up a text document in WordPad if you're on your PC. You want to link up your JPEG static image to SwiftSource at Sprout Builder. So that's what we're going to attempt to show you today. I'm going to get out of this view. Okay, so you built your Sprout, and then you want to publish. And so you fill in all your stuff here, and then you publish. And once you've published your Sprout, there's some key information that you need to get. One of them is the Swift source code, which you're going to link up to your image. So you just copied the Swift source at this handy little link here. And then you want to copy that into your text document. And you want to take out everything after SWF here, because all you need is the Swift source code, which is right here. And in order to create your image, you can go here to view Sprout image, and it'll show you the Sprout image for the Sprout that you just made. You right click on it, you save it, and then you can bring it into Photoshop or GIMP or whatever photo editing program you have in order to make it clear that people need to click on there. You want them to click, 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 and then you want them to add themselves as your fan. That's your goal. And if you've got a cool enough landing page, then that may indeed happen when they stumble across you through keywords and stuff. So, okay, let's say that you've edited your JPEG image and then you've uploaded it to a site like Flickr, or like in my case, I uploaded it to a my website. You get the location, the URL, the location of your JPEG image from wherever you hosted it, whether it's on your blog or wherever it is. Here he is, Warrior Poet. So you go in and edit the page, and then you go down to applications and you add the FBML or Facebook markup language. So let's say that Kender doesn't have it on there. So FBML, and then you go to the static FBML and you add it to your page, which is right there. So once you've done that, then you're going to end up with an FBML tab on your wall. And then what you want to do is rename the FBML tab to whatever you want. And here is the FBML code. And that's where your Swift source comes in. You want to put the Swift source right here, between two quotes. And then you want to have the code to the image, whether it's a ping or a GIF or whatever it is. And the width is 760 by 850 in order to allow for the images from the ads on the right hand side. So then what you end up with is a tab that you can move around. But what you want to do is you want to get back to here, your settings, and you want to go to wall settings and change that jump page, change that landing page to the default landing tab. And then you are finished. That's how to create a workable, interesting landing page to your Facebook fan page using Sprout.